Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. I'm happy to come your way once again with another super recipe. Today we are going to make detox salad, a very healthy one like that. And I would like to explain into the ingredients that we are going to need for this recipe. Here we have our purple cabbage, we have carrot, we have lettuce, we have croutons, that is onion croutons, and we also have pumpkin, lettuce, and sunflower seeds here. And over there we have our extra virgin olive oil, and we also have apple cider vinegar and honey. We have lemon juice, salt, and black pepper, and also we have today we're using powdered garlic. Yes, and on please note that about the garlic. If you're allergic to garlic, then please you can do away with that, and it's fine. It doesn't change anything, but it would have been better though. But then if you don't if you don't like it, then I think it's better you do away with that. Okay, so I'll then go ahead to um, to explain into the ingredients, right? That I'm talking about the purple carrot cabbage. Um, we know that purple cabbages are rich in nutrients and has vitamin A, B, C, and K. It also have potassium in it. Then we have it's also it also fights inflammation and promotes heart health. It's very good for your health, and it also strengthens your bones because of the vitamin C and K. And of course, there is an amount of calcium and magnesium present. Also, it's easy to add to your diet. Very easy. If you really want to live healthy, and you get a vegetable like this with all these properties in them, I think it's very needful that you add to your recipes, maybe salad or soups or anything. And so I go ahead to talk about the benefits of carrot. That carrot, on the other hand, contains vitamin A, carotene, and it's also help your digestive health, and it has sweet flavor as well, and contain natural sugars. The fiber and potassium in carrots may help manage blood pressure. Also, I want to talk about the lettuce. Lettuce here is also an anti. Yeah, it's help fight inflammation and aids in weight loss. So those who want to cut down their weight should look out for lettuce. Yes, you should also add to your recipes, and it's gonna help you. Yeah, it's very good. It's going to help you. It also boosts heart health because it's good. It's a good source of folate and vitamin C, which reduces arterial stiffness. Yeah, and helps in the treatment of cardiovascular diseases. On the other hand, it may cut the risk of diabetes. It also promotes digestive health as well, and help treat insomnia, because there are some people who can't sleep well at night, and they really find it difficult to sleep. Lettuce is very good for you, and I recommend. Then after talking about the vegetables that I will need today, I just want to talk about the seeds. I have pumpkin seeds, lettuce seeds, and sunflower seeds. These are all great seeds for detox, and with pumpkin, I know omega-3 and fatty acids. It's also powerful, or the power pack with antioxidants and fiber. It's good both for the heart and the liver. So as I bring this to an end, I've finished explaining this, so I want us to quickly rush into the preparation of this recipe. Yes, and I think yep. Okay, people. So first I want us to go into the dressing. So we ready to. We add two spoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. You need you also need 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar, then it's time for our honey. You need 1 spoon of honey, and then you also need 1 spoon of lemon juice. You know I love them. I don't go without them. Then here is our garlic. Then we go in for our black pepper. Yeah. So we just mix it together, and note that you will have to keep this in the fridge. We need to cool it a little bit for about some time, maybe some minutes, 1 or 2. Yes. Yes, guys, so this brings us to the end of this video. Our detox salad is ready. It's ready to be consumed. Yes, to be consumed. So thank you very much for staying with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, if you want to enjoy more from me, please, I would like you to subscribe, so anytime I upload a video, you get it. You get a notification. So don't forget, if you have not subscribed already, please remember to do so. Alright, guys, God bless you, and I want to tell you that God loves you, and also stay blessed. And remember, you all need to stay safe. You need to stay safe. Yeah. But as you still, I don't know if maybe you are still home, maybe you are still working or something like that. Remember, you need this. You need to add this to your diet, and it will be helpful, especially if you're trying to lose weight, or it's a power pack. So it will help you in so many ways. So don't forget, add this to your breakfast, your lunch, or even dinner. Anyhow you want to take it, any time you want to take it, for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's okay. But stay safe. So until we meet again next time, take care, stay safe. Bye.